Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this Ash Trevino look on Dress to Impress using custom makeup. I'm actually going to add those really long lashes first, just to make her look more like Ash Trevino, I guess. I don't know. Make them like really long and bad. Anyways, I'm just going to go to the custom makeup section. This is what I use for the eyes, and then for the eyebrows, obviously we're using this one. And then for the lips, we're using this pouty, annoying lip. And then for the contour, we're using this. I might add some more later on just to make it, I don't know. Anyways, I am going to add more blush, maybe like this one. And then for the nose, we have to use this one, of course. And then we're going to add in this. I don't know which one. Maybe this? I don't know. You can choose whichever. Then for the hair, I think I might lose the lashes. We're going to use this. And yeah, that is it for the outfit. You can just choose whatever you want for it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.